Everyone, so today we are going to discuss about the topic that is the combustion in flame. You know that what is the combustion. In the previous class you might have studied that the combustion is a chemical reaction. It is defined as the burning of fuel in the presence of air or oxygen, and that is accompanied by the production of heat and light or both. So combustion is a chemical reaction, and it burns the substance burn in the presence of air and gives a heat and light. Now based on this, the substance can be categorized in a two way, like the substance that may be that may catch fire, that is called as the combustible substance, and the substance which does not catch fire, it is called as non-combustible substance. So the substance are categorized based on their combustibility, and the combustible substance are those which catch fire, and the substance which burn in air to produce heat and light are called combustible substance. For example, wood and petrol, charcoal, kerosene, diesel and LPG, etc. So these are the substance which burn in the air and it gives heat and light. On the other hand, the non-combustible substance are those which cannot burn in any condition, and it does not it does not provide any heat because they do not burn in any temperature. So these are based on this combustibility, the substance are being categorized as combustible and non-combustible substance. So combustion is a chemical process, as we discussed, that in which a substance react with oxygen and to produce heat. It is also called as a combustion. So substance which undergoes combustion is called as combustible substance, and it is also called as a fuel. Sometimes light is also produced during combustion, either as a flame or as a glow. We have gone through in so many experiences from our daily life that some substance which burn gives a light, and with the flame it burns, and some substances are there which does not give any flame. So these are the categories of the substance, that substance either can burn with the flame or substance burn without a flame. Condition for combustion. Now condition for combustion is what? Combustible substance. First of all, the substance is very important because the substance need to be combustible, and it is the first requirement for the condition of combustion. The second requirement is the supporter of combustion. The supporter of combustion, that is oxygen. So oxygen is very important for the combustion process. Without oxygen, the combustion process is incomplete. As we know, the working process of fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher work on the basis of that is carbon dioxide is gas is filled, and it makes a blanket over the substance to cut off the supply of oxygen from the atmosphere. The third important condition is ignition temperature. So the minimum temperature at which the substance catch fire is also called as ignition temperature, and it is also known as it's a kindling point. So ignition temperature is very important because some substances are there which catch fire very easily at a low temperature. Substances are there which catch fire at a high temperature, that is called as a high ignition temperature. So low ignition temperature like kerosene, petrol, and these are the substance which catch fire even very low ignition temperature. White phosphorus is another example which catch fire in the air when exposed to air, and that's why it is need to be stored in water. So the substance which burn very easily even at a low ignition temperature or low amount of heat, that is also termed as inflammable substances. So what are the conditions what we have discussed? That is air, the fuel is very important, that is the combustible substance. Air, which is very important, and the third one is heat, which is in which the ignition temperature is very important, because until and unless the object reaches its ignition temperature, it will never start burning. Now the product of combustion and types of combustion we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.